Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company. Today, I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have. And the question is, it's a bit long. Hi, Ali. My CTR has been getting worse on a few thousand products. Thousand means huge. Okay, thousand products. It seems quite spread out over the website. We have a lot of price increases, and we may be overpriced on some things with little choice. We are also matched on a lot. This has also caused a lot of turbulence in our bidding. We have spent a lot more than any month on record. I wouldn't say it's a very competitive market with generally a few main competitors. We don't seem to be getting seen any more shops we have never heard of are even appearing before us. How badly does price affect CTR? Can you still have a high impression share and keep a high margin, or will it cost more? Can a few thousand overpriced products bring your general account quality score down? Could it be something else? Site speed? It might sound silly, but it is for a peace of mind. Thank you. So I mean, there are lots of questions over here, so let me answer it very frankly. To be very honest with you, the price can be one of the factors, but not the main deciding factor with marketing, because there are many certain factors like the landing page, your brand as an image, how what other marketing tactics you are using, how your funnel is being designed on your website, how you are communicating with your newsletter subscribers, because they may eventually can get turned on later on, and again, what's your market type are. So there are so many factors apart from CTR which can be a reason apart from CTR and pricing. So now you may see that the thing here which is very cautious, that let me make it so everyone can read it as well, is that uh, we don't seem to be getting seen anymore shops we have never heard of are even appearing before us. So I think the little bit needs to be worked on over here with the campaign bidding strategy. If I was done over there, I would change to impression share bidding with absolutely being top, shown at the top for the time being. Now if you ask me how badly does price affect CTR, okay, how are you marketing also impacts, like are you writing the price on the main ad, or how you are targeting, what is your USP, unique selling proposition? Is it just a price only, or are you trying to convert a brand? In case if you do not make a brand, you will always be price conscious, and you will have to work around with the price market. So to make it out of the price, what you have to do is to build yourself a brand. That is the ultimate thing in winning the people heart. So my recommendation is to work around with this, build yourself as a brand, and that can help you a lot. So go with the building yourself as a brand. And apart from CTR, why your CTR has been gone down? Now my question is, how you are analyzing why your CTR is gone down? CTR is being shown on the ad. Now are you writing the price on your ad? If not, then what other factors are being, which is why your ad is getting poor CTR? Now apart from pricing, in there are other factors as well which can make your ad good. Now like this is an ad preview tool, and this is a simple ad being shown. Now you can add silent extensions over here that can bring the attention more in your ad. Advertiser rating, price extension, location extension, call extension, or call out extension, whatever you're gonna do. You can see the option over here that that makes an ad very appealing. So you need to work around on your ad, and then once you work around on your ad, also work around on your landing page, look around on your competitors. Now because you've seen that you are your competitors which you haven't heard are appearing above you, you need to work around with your landing page strategy. Look around that are the expectations being set by your ad being fulfilled by your landing page or not. Work on this. And then now, if you ask me, can a few thousand overpriced products bring your general account quality score down? No, CTR can bring down, but the high prices does not have any impact on it. So, what could it be something else? Yes, I believe it is something different. Site speed, yeah, site speed can also be a very crucial factor. How your account structure is being designed, because if you are doing a mass marketing and believe with 1,000 products, I do not think that it is a right idea to target 1,000 products, but rather target those products which are generating you more sales, or those products where you are having very less competition. So work around those and then gather the market. And then that when you buy out, people also have, like, if you bought this product, people also have bought similar products. So your checkout procedure, your funnel procedure also needs to be friendly to generate most out of the Google ads. So there are certain things apart from your CTR, your pricing, your competitors, which can play a crucial role. Like, are you doing email marketing, what other marketing you are doing, integrated marketing, retargeting, local search campaigns for a local specific areas. You can have different campaigns for different areas to get the most out of it. Work around on your top 10, top 5 cities, and then create specific campaigns for those, or maybe specific areas. Look around in the peak timing, peak days, peak hours, and then generate more sales, through optimizing those strategies. And yes, if you need a professional help, me and my team can do a professional Google Ads audit for your account and help you in creating an awesome Google Ads campaign. So in case if you need our help, do click on the link in the description to get started working with us. And lastly, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope this answers your question. Take care and bye bye.